Good morning, everybody. And by everybody, 10 minutes late, I literally mean Moji and Alien Head. Glad to have you two guys in here right now. Let's pull up Weeble, see if we got that on the screen. We do have it on the screen. Moji, first and onlyest in the chat, man. Moji, just me and you, man. Nope, Alien Head joined us. We got Moji, Alien, Panda, all of you guys. Glad to have you in here. Let's check the market out, see what's going on so far today, because we have got some declines. After yesterday's very nice advance, we have today's very nice decline. AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen, you guys can't see it, sitting down 3% today at $3.19. GameStop, top right-hand side of the screen, you guys also can't see it, 0.60% lower on the day today, $24.89. Shiba Inu Coin, you guys can see this one kind of sitting flat over the last couple of hours here, 5.61% lower today to 1371 right now. Shiba Inu Coin sitting at 1371. Bitcoin, the top left-hand side of the screen, sitting at $90,218. Testing waters at $90,000 here. Huge decline from 93,000. Even further decline from where it was yesterday at almost 95,000. And dropping this morning pretty heavy, as fear once again controlling people's minds. I think it's incredible, man. People cannot make decisions without fear running their lives, and they're doing so. You have some of the best news possible in the crypto space just yesterday, and today it's like it never happened. NASDAQ down 0.41% to 18,768 points. AMC down, GameStop down. Solana down 7%, man, $157. Dogecoin sitting at 21 cents. Shiba Inu Coin, 1370, down 5%. Ethereum back down 7%, man. $2,272 on Ethereum there. Bitcoin sitting at 90,134. You got the SPY sitting at 593. QQQ 508. Mullen Auto, don't touch it, up 6% on the day today. Sundial sitting 0.93% lower. Netflix $988. Tesla $300 on Tesla. All right, 2.43% gain. You got Amazon sitting at 208. Apple sitting at 242, and Soxel sitting at $22.89. We're going to watch Bitcoin play out on the top left-hand side of the screen, play out on the middle side of the screen, and of course, I don't know, man, hopefully wait for another bounce, hopefully wait for investors to stop being so scared, hopefully wait for retail to, I don't know, man, I don't even know what to call these guys that just go out and sell. Dude, we get some of the best news ever, man. The cryptocurrency space is set to grow. I don't know what to tell you. You got to go out there. You got to accumulate. You got to get whatever you're willing to hold and watch this industry thrive over time. Moji, first. Man, Geo, crazy, isn't it? Howdy hoo, Rodney, how are you? Genji, good morning to you. Oh, stream time. Pi is at a pretty good buy price. You know what? Let's take a look at Pi. I haven't looked at Pi since, what, last Friday? I didn't look at Pi over the weekend. Pi is on KSEX. Cardano coming back down from $1. Almost 20 to 96 cents. And oh man, what a strong gain yesterday. But people cannot hold these gains. Pi coin, $1.71. Yeah, you know what? Crypto Rocketeer Miski from Frisky. This could be a decent price right here. This held up as resistance. It stinks that there's not much to go off of. But you can see this held up as resistance for a few days before it broke out of the upside, and now it is 2 days in a row now trying to hold up as support here. So essentially this $1.50 area, to the wicks go up from $1.70 down to $1.40. $1.50 seems to be some pretty strong support. So yeah, you're right, it could be a very good entry to grab some Pi coin. Of course, if it comes down, there's not enough price history to really tell where it's going to go. But, yeah, man, Pi does have some support in the current area where it's at. Where have you been, Clay, bro? What do you mean, Eddie? You mean, like, for the last 10 minutes? Or do you mean, like, in general? Because I'm here, man. I'm here for sure. Clay, not everything is down. You want to check his stock? AZN. I do want to check his stock. Let's check out AZN. AstraZeneca. Let's see where AstraZeneca is. Let's go weekly chart on this one. $8 way back when, a decade ago, to $76. 10x gain. Slow and steady wins the race, man. Here's the thing, dude. If retail buys AstraZeneca, they buy in on a day like today. A day like this. Let's just call that today. They buy in here. Oh, yeah, we're going to make so much money. We're doing great. $26. And then, oh, yeah, we're up 10%. Looking good. Boom. I gotta sell. This is terrible. I'm losing money. I'm gonna lose all my money. I should have bought this stupid stock. I can't do it. It's just 3 down days in a row. I can't believe I'm in it. So they sell it, right? And then it starts to recover. Oh, man. And then they buy back in. Oh, and then they sell it. It's down below its 13 period moving average. We got to get out of here. We got to get out. Fell below its 13 exponential moving average. Maybe I should have held it. Dude, meanwhile, if they would have bought it, if they would have held it, they would have 5x their money. I don't know what prices I was just looking at, but probably 5x their money to get to these levels that it's at today. So, yeah, AstraZeneca is looking pretty good. It's on its way back up pretty nice here. Don't know why they fell into October, November, December there, but it came back down, tested this support line, rising nicely right now. And hopefully if you own them, they continue to rise nicely. But yes, it looks like a very nice bottom left, upper right-hand curve. Looking very good. All right, where are we at? We have got Synth Cake, man. Synth Cake for sure. Geo Slowpoke Rodriguez. There he is, man. There he is. Moji was first. Geo was like 8th in the chat. XRP got wrecked. Did it? Where's XRP? XRP was 280 yesterday. Yeah, 260. Yeah, this graph looks exactly like all the other graphs. Looks like Solana, looks like Bitcoin, looks like Cardano. Looks like Ethereum. Everything having a beautiful rally yesterday. Back up to $3 a coin. Back down to 250. So, yeah, XRP pulling back pretty heavy since yesterday's. Guys, the news didn't change. You know what I mean? The news did not change since yesterday. We still got the strategic reserve coming. And oh my gosh, dude. The news didn't change, but everybody's minds did. Where's Farmy? Oh, this idiot. I thought when the United States got rid of Tim, we would get rid of the Where's Farmy, but couldn't be so lucky. Here it is. Dude, I would say that Farmy is worse than Molinado, but it's not. Because Farmy's at 25 cents. And for every $2,000 you would have bought, you now have a quarter. For every, like, $2 billion you bought, you now have a quarter. In Molinado. Like, that's the difference. Oh, boy. Look at this graph, man. Everybody's always like, I'm going to buy the dip, dude. I'm going to buy the dip. Look at this gap down. This gap down for sure. Yeah, I'm going to go buy this. And crazily enough, it may have filled that gap back here. But I'm going to go buy this dip. Yeah, that's what and then, dude, it just keeps on dying, man. I hate companies like Farmy. I hate companies like Molinado. I hate companies that go out like AMC. And instead of running a business, they just dilute their shareholders so they can pay their executives. It is insane to me, man. It's insane to me. I really don't think that they should be allowed to do that. Why is SHIB falling? Akash, very good question. In my opinion, okay, Shiba Inu Coin, there may be a little bit of profit taking off of yesterday's rally. Right, we watched XRP, we watched Cardano, we watched Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum, a lot of the meme coins. We watched everything jump up pretty nice yesterday. And today we're watching it decline. You can see XRP on the screen in the middle here. XRP had a nice rally from about 220 all the way up to $3, back down to 250. Some profit taking, you could say. But I think that profit taking is combining with the fear. Coin market cap, if it loads, coin market cap is now at a level of 39 fear. Yesterday was 20 fear. So it went from the lower end of the fear gauge to the upper end of the fear gauge right here. And it did go up because, of course, yesterday's gains inspired some buying. And yesterday's news from the president inspired some confidence. But it seems as though the crazy fear has already returned. It is plaguing the market like never before. Getting some of the greatest news. That news did not change, but prices are falling back down. So Shiba Inu Coin is falling for a combination of reasons. Number one, you got some people taking some profits, which is kind of dumb because it's just 10%. It can be so much greater. Number two, people are afraid, dude. They're actually afraid. They're shivering and quivering, man. They cannot deal with what is happening in the crypto space right now. Traded on my SHIB for XRP on Saturday and got a better percentage gain than I would have with SHIB. Very, very nice. Giovanni, how do you feel about that, man? Do you feel relieved? Let me know how you feel, man. If you feel relieved, maybe some other people might do it too. I don't know. Some people will. Some people won't. What is this? Yeah, XRP right here. We'll keep this one up. You did it Saturday. Well, dude, if you did it Saturday, that's pretty good. That would have been here. 215? What did you get it, man? 215, 220? Not bad at all. Still up like 20%, man. I like it. People are too scared. Gen G, they're very scared. It's very weird to see how afraid these people are right now. And I don't understand where the fear comes from. Like, I get how you could be emotional and fearful if you put your entire life savings into the market and you're like, oh, it's going to go up, it's going to go down. But, dude, if you truly only do put in what you're willing to invest, what is there to be afraid of? I guess people just do it wrong, man. I don't know. I guess people do it wrong. I've been holding SHIB since May 8th of 2021. Heard all the lies from John Richmond, the restaurant, the game, the burning, etc. They did nothing to make SHIB better. I feel extremely relieved. Bought in at 216. Very nice, Giovanni. Giovanni, man, I hope, man. I hope that XRP goes to $10 for you. I bought a little bit more XRP over the weekend, but I mean, not as much as you if you're trading your SHIB straight up for it. So I bought a little more XRP. I didn't add any Cardano, but I probably will. If Cardano does end up coming back down a little bit, I will be adding some Cardano. Guys, look, a portion of my portfolio, like the meme coins, okay? A lot of those meme coins are, okay, I want to make some gains, and I'll gladly close those out. I will. You know, SHIB, Trump, Mother, Daddy, a lot of that stuff, man. I got some Giga, I got some Bonk, a lot of those coins that I have. I will gladly close those out, man. Shiba Inu Coin posted a nice green line. I got a little Dogecoin, right? No problem. Close those out and take my profit whenever I want. But a lot of the other stuff, the Bitcoin that I'm stacking, the XRP that I'm stacking, the Solana that I'm stacking, the Tron, the SUI, the TON. I bought a little Loop Ring, right? Now, Loop Ring I probably will sell. I just want to let you guys know on that one because Loop Ring explodes during bull markets and then Loop Ring does die out quite drastically. But a lot of these other tokens, man, I don't even know if I really ever care to sell them. I really don't. I got a lot of USDT that I can deploy. But we may just get to the point where you can easily spend your USDC or USDT, any of that, and I might keep it in crypto instead of keeping it in a bank. what is wrong with that idea either? You know what I mean? So, like cashing out, man. I don't know if I even have the mentality to cash out the the layer ones and stuff that I'm buying. Meme coins, absolutely, but I don't know, man. I'm here. I'm here to watch these graphs. 20 years later, you look at it and it's like, oh man, every single graph that Alien Head pulls up 20 years ago, 2007, 2010, they've 50x'd since then. Dude, if I 50x the amount of money that's in crypto, yeah, we're gonna be doing pretty well. But then I think, what do I even care to 50x my money for? I don't need to buy anything. So what do I need to 50x my money for if I'm not even gonna be buying anything? I don't know. It's always a dilemma, isn't it? Shiba Inu Coin gaining 10 points per coin. 13. It looked a lot bigger than it was. 1369 to 1379 right there. Bitcoin throwing a purple line on the screen. I mean, we want gains, right, guys? We don't want to buy any more dips, right? Do we want gains? Like, what do you guys want? I actually, I don't mind buying Solana on another dip, but I am, and you guys should probably take a look at this too. Now, I'm going to favor the larger market cap coins because, of course, I believe that they're still going to do very well and they're going to be less volatile. But, dude, this Made in America, this USA section on CoinMarketCap, XRP, Solana, Cardano, right? That's why they're adding these three right here. Chainlink didn't get a mention, but, dude, I don't doubt that Chainlink is going to end up getting a mention at some point. These cryptos down here. So I don't think it's a bad idea to add into these. And I do like Polkadot as well. Polkadot's been around for quite some time. I believe the highs are around $50. Currently under $5 per coin. And you can stake this one for about 14% annualized interest if you guys want to stake. So I think a lot of these coins have a lot of potential in the Made in America section, right? So keep an eye on those as well if you guys are interested in following that narrative that Made in America will continue to do well, and these Made in America tokens will see favor here in the United States. I think they will see favor. If you guys don't, well, clearly don't buy them. But we saw yesterday XRP, Solana, and Cardano mentioned top 3 Made in America tokens by market cap there. So I think they got something. I heard you buy a Whopper with Shiba Inu, though. I've never bought a Whopper with Shiba Inu. Maybe at some point in 2021, Burger King ran that promo, but I never did it. Number 1 of 2. Clay, as you know, I've been traveling all over, and I would like to submit a bit of perspective. There's fear in the streets. However, there's a lot of people losing their jobs. Number 2. I think a lot of people are not thinking about crypto. They're thinking about the everyday payments, and the UK and Canada are not feeling very optimistic at the moment. That's interesting, man. And that is a good perspective, right? Because from my outlook right now, I don't see that, right? I'm okay, right? Views are down. It's not like... There's a big difference in like having a job and going to work and knowing exactly what your paycheck's going to look like, and also doing something like social media and creating content or whatever and posting online. And 1 month your views are twice as much as the next month, and then that month ends up being twice as much as the next month. So it is very weird sometimes. You know, some months are very good, some months are like, dang, dude, that's terrible. But I've also done a very good job of having minimal bills, so I don't really have to worry. I can roll with the good times and roll with the bad times. But yeah, dude, I see that's a perspective that I don't have, right? I don't see people losing their jobs. I don't see people worried about stuff like that. I do live, I don't want to say a secluded life, but as much content as I push out, dude, I spend a lot of time in this chair right here, and it is good to hear that, because to me, I think the markets are crazy right now. I think this fear is insane. To me, it doesn't make any sense because I don't see any reason at all to be fearful. But having somebody else say that there could be reason for fear out there, I mean, that does make sense, man. I mean, I don't see it, but I trust you that you see it. So, Wepe tanked like a truck. Also, where's the group that brought... how do I change my name? I have no idea where the trading group is. But... Wepe tanked like a truck, yes. I'm still watching Wepe. I still own Wepe. I'm not buying any more Wepe because every time that I do buy Wepe, these idiots go out there and sell it. Like, this is just pathetic to me. Had a very nice bounce back all the way up to 8,000 or 800 points per coin, and already back down like 20-30% to 600 points per coin. People cannot hold this the same way that they cannot hold anything right now. So the good news, in my opinion, holders are still holders are still rising. 73,000 hold. You can't see it. 73,000 holders, right? Some people are buying. The bad news is I've seen several of these top whales sell off, which is really stinking annoying. A part of me is kind of glad because, you know, they're definitely losing a lot of money when they sell off. But if they just held, right? I cannot stand guys that give up. And these guys are clearly giving up. If they simply held, the price would go up, right? And when the price rises, especially if it's rising and it's the only crypto or only stock that's rising at the time, it brings a lot of attention to itself. But retail investors are proving to be retail investors right now, and they cannot hold on to their crypto, and they cannot buy crypto. So, yes, Wepe did essentially tank like a truck. But, dude, it's not only Wepe that tanked like a truck, right? You come out to the meme coins right now, and everything is down, dude. Melania down 31% over the last 7 days. You look at Trump down. Well, Trump's been holding pretty steady, but look at meme coins over the last 30 days, down 20% from $124 billion market cap to a $58 billion market cap. All meme coins have been blasted between like 30 to 70%. So it's a tough horizon out there, not just for Wall Street Pepe, which is clear that it got beat, but everything is beat down like this over the last month. So I can't say it's only Wall Street Pepe, man. Everything got jacked up pretty hard. We might start to see a little bounce here. We get some green lines on SHIB. We get some green lines coming for Bitcoin, and they might continue on. I do hope that they continue on. Part of me says if you're going to dip, just make it one of those really fast hour-long dips and then a nice V-shaped recovery. Other part says, please stop dipping, just start going up. Will Wepe recover? So this is a question that I ask myself every single day because I still own a lot of Wepe. I could cause a pretty annoying red line if I decided to sell off of my Wepe. My thought process is it is not going to be as easy for Wall Street Pepe to recover now. It does seem to have some major support in the area that it is currently at. Is sellers have decided now, instead of selling off, they're essentially just leeching the liquidity that is being added. So it is at strong support, but this is the question that I ask myself and I cannot answer. Why is somebody going to buy Wall Street Pepe for a 60% discount, 70% discount, when they can buy SHIB for a 60%, 70% discount? When they can buy Dogecoin for a 60%, 70% discount? When they can buy, insert literally any meme coin that you want to insert there. All of them are essentially down 60, 70% over the last month and a half. So that's the struggle that I have with, is Wepe or will Wepe recover? Now, I can try and justify it to myself. I still don't necessarily believe myself, or I'm not too confident in myself. Wall Street Pepe has a tiny little $1 million liquidity pool. That's tiny, guys. If it sees $500,000 in inflows, the price is going to double. So yes, it will recover with very small amounts of money. Something like Shiba Inu Coin needs to see tens of millions of dollars inflowing to rise even remotely similar. So there is the chance, yes, that it recovers. 73,000 holders. Obviously, it's got a lot of people in the crypto space interested in it. The narrative could be very positive if it starts to bounce back up. People could very quickly get inspired. It's not going to recover when the fear and greed index is sitting at a level of fear, though. It's just not going to do it. This 39 level of fear, investors are not interested in buying meme coins at all right now. Investors aren't even interested in holding on to their Bitcoin gains from yesterday, man. They're panicking out of their minds. If people acted, right? If people acted in real life like they do in the crypto world, they'd probably be sent to an insane asylum. Clearo, you know when we're getting no tax on realized gains for us. I do not know, Panda. I would be... Dude, see, I hope that if they announce anything similar to that, I hope that it is like no tax on long-term realized gains, or no tax from this moment. If you buy from this moment forward, no tax on those gains, or something like that. Because, dude, think about it. You know, if I'm sitting here on major profit in crypto, let's just say that, you know, collectively, there's billions of dollars in unrealized profit from people that have bought crypto, you know, years ago. Dude, if they sell off of tens of billions or hundreds of billions of dollars to realize those capital gains tax-free, that would cause a huge decline in the price of crypto. You know, if you got guys that bought Bitcoin, or guys that bought XRP 50 cents and not, or, you know, before, maybe they bought it like back in 2015 or whenever it came out. Maybe they're sitting there and they're ready to realize, you know, hundreds of millions of dollars in gains, and all of a sudden they announce no tax, and boom, there's a major sell-off to take advantage of that no tax. So I hope that if anything like that does come, it's no tax on anything you buy from this point forward, because I think that'll cause a lot of buying pressure to come into the market as a lot of selling pressure. And I hope that it's no tax on long-term capital gains in U.S. cryptos that you buy from this point forward, because I don't want to see a sell-off. Just my opinion is all. I don't go here to sell political opinions, but this is what I'm seeing in my travels and spending time with people. But like Genji says, we want gains. We want gains. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. We do want gains, man. And hey, as Alien Head says that, we've got some nice green candles being posted on Shiba Inu Coin and Bitcoin's chart right there. Bitcoin back up to, well, a measly little $90,600 right there. We were better off yesterday, but we are better than we were this morning, so we're doing good. Look at WienerDog AI. It's down 100%. Oh, my. That's what I'm saying, man. You know, these people, they give up so quickly. So it is possible that we do not see recoveries, man. I just want to let you guys know that. A lot of people, they buy into something, and then they can't hold it. It's killing my it's just killing my wiener. Killing my meme coin mojo, mate. Yeah, dude. Trust me. The worst two that I have, Play Doge and Base Dogs. Play Doge and Base Dogs ate a lot of my Ethereum. And BNB. I think I bought Play Doge and BNB. They ate a lot of it up, man. And then the people who sold off, ooh, they just took my liquidity from me. And that's the part that I'm really starting to realize about meme coins versus layer ones, right? And layer ones are similar, and the entire the entire financial industry is similar to this, but it's more, I guess, relevant in meme coins because they're kind of here today, gone tomorrow types of deals and stuff like that. You can make a lot of money in meme coins because we know that they can shoot up 10, 20, 30, 40, 50x. We've all seen all of these meme coins doing fantastic. But a lot of what it is not, can I buy this and watch it grow? It's essentially, can I buy this and take someone else's liquidity as they put it in? And I don't necessarily like that part. I do really like the idea of buying a meme coin, and I've done so on several of them, watching them go up multiples, 2, 3, 4, 5x, and taking my profit. Absolutely. But a lot of what it is you're essentially taking liquidity out that was deposited by somebody else, which I don't necessarily like that concept. Best yet, no tax on all Panda gains. Panda, that is the best yet, man. Devontae, hello, how are you? Hi. My $3,000 invested down to $30. Gosh, dude, that's a 99% decline, man. 99% decline. Oh, dude. It's only got 100x to get back up, Jeremiah. Oh, man. It's only got 100x to get back up there. Jeez. Have you ever had a Whopper? What? Have you ever had Whopper juice at the Tiki Club? I don't think anybody has ever had Whopper juice at the Tiki Club, man. Is that only... Oh, boy. See, this dude's trying to scare me out of my wiener dog AI. I know he is. Scam likely? No thanks. Get out of here. See, this is what I know can happen on Wall Street Pepe. I remember this. I was actually holding and I did sell on this spike here. I may have lost a little bit. I don't know. I may have averaged down here. But I remember this because I was in Florida when this happened. Sorry. I was in Florida when that happened. So I know something like this can happen with Wall Street Pepe. I don't know why this happened here. But yeah, this is a huge decline, man. $1 million market cap. 73,000 in the liquidity pool. Such a low number now. Jeez. Well, hey, Bitcoin is bouncing back, man. Maybe people are buying. Maybe I should just like dollar cost average into this stuff every single day. Instead of going in, hitting it, waiting a while, hitting it again. Maybe I should just set up a recurring buy. And then buy it every day. You think Doge and SHIB and Pepe and Bonk bounce back this year? Yeah. Shafia, I don't think that the bull market is over, right? So I do believe that meme coins are going to bounce back. You're listing some of the largest out there, which is very good. Bonk, actually considered a made in the United States or made in America meme coin. So Bonk has a very good chance of doing well, especially if Solana is included in the strategic reserve and Solana gets a huge price bump. We could see Bonk do very well if Solana gets that price bump. So, yeah, man, I think that the ones you're listing are candidates of nice price increases. Let's see. I heard you can buy Whopper juice with Shiba Inu at the Tiki Club. Quite possibly. I don't even know what this stuff is. I don't even know what this stuff is. Can you explain to me how Shiba Inu Coin and Ethereum and Solana is connected, please? Deuce. Do you mean like because their price charts look the same? Is that what you mean? Because they're not really connected. Shiba Inu Coin and Ethereum are connected because Shiba Inu Coin is an Ethereum token. It's built on the Ethereum blockchain, but it's like Solana and Ethereum are not connected. But you probably mean because they have very, very similar price patterns, right? Price charts. How's Picoin looking today? Hassan, $1.70. We just looked at it a minute ago. Not looking too bad. $1.71, down from the $3 highs that it was at. But there is a level of support in this $1.50 area. Not much to work with on this chart. But we were looking at this a minute ago, and I hate it when these lines are not horizontal. Resistance, 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 broke out. Support, support. So might spend a few days testing this $1.50 level of support and see where it goes from there. But yeah, Picoin's still looking pretty good, man. It's still very, very new. And of course coming down as the overall market is coming back down today. It could be Roblox. Could be. I have no idea what this is. No, I seal my SHIB into another year contract in Cryptonomy, so I don't have to worry about... Hey, you know what, Jeremiah? That's not bad at all, man. That's not bad at all. I'm highly considering doing that with some of the larger tokens that I don't mind holding at all. Because it's like Polkadot specifically, I haven't bought any of it yet. But looking at that, man, I really... You got to get into the long-term game, man. Good morning, Nick F. Glad to have you in here, man. Hopefully you're having a great day so far. Hopefully next March I'll have over 5 billion. Boom, baby. Very nice. Jeremiah, man. And hopefully, dude, hopefully before next March you have 0 Shiba Inu coin. Hopefully sometime this year it goes up, 10,000 points per coin, breaks that next 0, drops that 0, and you make some major profit, man. Hopefully next March meme coins are just back down after soaring in value this year. 10-20x gains. Let's see. Dr. Johnny Moes, when will you be going live with the Ape Father? I don't know. How's the Ape Father doing, man? I haven't watched any of his videos in a couple days. How's that guy doing? Is he holding up, man? Is he okay? I hope to never go through what that guy's had to go through. Let's see. Clay, did you see the new look on Ukraine's president when Trump said no? Now, go to your room, think about what you did. Yes, I did. Surprise. Shock. Oops. And, dude, I don't understand some people, man. I really don't. There you are, my friend. Buy me a nanner. Yes, Genji's been waiting for you to come back. Buy me a nanner. What are you doing? T-Man needs to say something about Bitcoin. Hopefully Elon and T-Man can clear out the regular... Yeah, and they talked about it all day yesterday, man. A couple posts on Truth Social. Let me see if I can pull it up here. Right here. U.S. crypto reserve will elevate this critical industry after years of corrupt attacks by the Biden administration, which is why my executive order on digital assets directed the Presidential Working Group to move forward on crypto strategic reserve that includes XRP, Solana, and ADA. I will make sure the U.S. is the crypto capital of the world, making America great again. And obviously, Bitcoin and Ethereum as other valuable cryptocurrencies will be the heart of the reserve. Also love Bitcoin and Ethereum. Dude, I really don't understand what else people want. I really don't understand what else people want them to say. To sell off and watch prices decline again today. Boom, coming back down. Like, do they need to go out? Dude, if the government went out and bought $1 trillion worth of Bitcoin, right? People would probably sell off. They'd probably be like, oh, no, this is terrible. This is terrible news. Let's just sell this off. I don't know. I don't get why people selling so much. Let's see. Did you ever try pickled onions? Yeah, absolutely, man. So I put pickled onions on my piata. What are your thoughts if SHIB break into 001? It's going to have to be a massive FOMO rally. Massive FOMO rally. So that's near 100x gains from here. That's 100x gains from here, right? Almost. $800 billion valuation, $700 billion valuation. I don't put it in an $800 billion coin. Not anytime soon, right? Maybe 10 years from now or something when everything is trading in the trillions. But I don't put it in an $800 billion coin right now. 100 billion? Absolutely. I don't think that's an impossibility at all. Do I think that Shiba Inu Coin can see some 10, 20x gains? Absolutely, man. But in order to reach like an $800 billion valuation, we need more, right? We need more money flowing into this space. I think that as a strategic reserve unfolds, I think as people see, and think, think about Fort Knox, right? If I were to hand you some gold, if I were to give you a gold coin, you'd probably be very happy. Now, I don't know anybody that would not accept a nice gold coin if somebody handed it to them. But that's because they perceive value in gold. They understand, oh, you know what? People like gold. Maybe I should like gold. I'll keep this. It's got some value. But dude, if I were to hand that same person a Bitcoin, I don't even know if they would accept it. They'd probably be like, whoa, what am I supposed to do with this? What's the catch? What am I supposed to do with this? I gotta get a wallet? I gotta hold this now? I gotta learn how to store a seed phrase? What is going on? So I think there's a lot of people that would see value in crypto after it becomes mass adoption, right? After the government creates a strategic reserve, after it becomes widely accessible and widely utilized and really has value by every holder. I don't think we're there yet. So I do think a strategic reserve is going to help with that. I think is when that does happen, you're going to see a lot more money flowing in, not just government money, but retail money who wants to go along for the ride. $100 billion Shiba Inu coin, not impossible. Something like $800 billion, though, you really got me questioning. And, man, Solana coming back down from 159 to 156 on that little bit of a dip right there. That's kind of crazy. Is Bitcoin dips back down. 7% loss in Solana, 6% loss in Doge, 5.5% loss in SHIB, 7% loss in Ethereum, 2% loss in Bitcoin today. And might bounce back. We'll watch it. We got Solana in the top left. Bitcoin is in the middle of the screen, just in case you guys were wondering what is what there. Bitcoin in the middle of the screen, Solana in the top left-hand side of the screen. Shiba Inu coin in the top right-hand side of the screen at the moment. Let's see. What about the news on Dubai accepting Shiba Inu coin for real estate? I didn't see that news, but even then, somebody has to be willing to sell their Shiba Inu coin or give up their Shiba Inu coin. Anytime that somebody is willing to accept a cryptocurrency for, houses, cars, grocery stores, no matter what, a lot of times the person that accepts it is not going to hold it. They're simply saying, oh, yeah, okay, I'll take your Shiba Inu coin, I'm just going to cash it out. So it's nice that it brings it utility. It's nice that it could see some demand there, but I don't think anybody's going to go out and say, oh, yeah, I can buy real estate in Dubai with Shiba Inu coin. Let me go buy Shiba Inu coin to give them Shiba Inu coin, and then they're just going to hold the Shiba Inu coin. I mean, if that were the case, sure, it would cause huge demand. But I think it's more or less, I own Shiba Inu coin. I'm going to give it to them, and they're going to sell it. So it doesn't necessarily have a huge positive impact on the price. Let's see. What is the one-man wiggle? I have no idea what that is. I guess that's when you dance. Let's see. Paul, do you ever feel like popping your socks off and letting the little piggy wiggle? Sometimes I do. Sometimes I don't. Be interested in seeing a one-man wiggle live. There you go, man. Me too. Is the one-man... What is happening right now? I don't know what this is. Okay, bros, be well. Remember to breathe. Stay safe. Stay clean. Take showers often. And don't touch sticky stuff. Busy Monday for me. Alien head. Enjoy your Monday, man. It's crazy that it's already Monday. I swear the weekend went way too fast, just as it always does. Maybe one of these days the weekend will drag on. Maybe one of these days the weekend will go very slow, and we're gonna say, "Wow, when is the week going to get here? We wanna get back to the routine." I don't think that anybody will ever say that. I don't know. I think everybody looks forward to that perpetual weekend that never ends, called retirement. Oh, man. I need to pop as close to 1/10 of a cent. Not asking for much. It's not much, man. Not much. Maybe go 1/100th of a cent. I don't think that's too far off from being a possibility there. But, yeah, dude, I hope you do get it, man. I really do. Try to sell it before it gets too close to 1/10 of a cent, though, because people always use those nice round numbers as levels of resistance, and you're probably gonna have a lot of guys go in and sell at 0.0009. So watch out for that one. You don't want to be the guy waiting for that perfect round number 0.001, and everybody else goes in and sells at 0.009, and you never see the 0.001. Clay, did you start the one? I must have, Forrest. I must have. I don't know how I did it, but I must have. Need SHIB to go to $10, then I'll buy everybody in this chat a car. Oh, man. Let's make it happen, man. Let's make it happen. Dude, if Shiba Inu Coin goes to $10, you know how mad I would be? You know how mad I would be if Shiba Inu Coin went to $10? Because I guarantee I'd sell before that. I'd probably be as mad as the guys that, like, made 30% when Shiba Inu Coin first came out. Bought it back in... let's say they bought the dip, like, back in January, February of 2021. They bought the dip. They made 20, 30%. They sold it because they were worried about it going down forever. And then they could have million X'd. Oh my gosh, dude. They could have turned their $10 into $3 million. But they instead turned their $10 into $13. Oh, jeez. Could you imagine? I mean, that'd be no different than buying Wiener Dog AI right now. Right? $70,000 in the liquidity pool. They go out there. Somebody buys $20 of it. Says, hey, maybe it turns into something someday. And then, they see they got like $40 in their account. So they take their profit. A year later, they would have had like $3 million in their account. Oh my gosh, dude. Crypto's wild. They could do it. You know what I mean? Like, that's the crazy thing about crypto. Elon Musk could get a wiener dog, and he can make a stupid joke post on X. I'm going to let my wiener dog be in charge of AI here at Grok. Oh, my wiener dog's in charge of Grok AI now. Dude, wiener dog AI would just 1000x overnight on something stupid like that. So crypto is really wild, man. It really is. It's crazy. Some Brody, say hi to the invisible panda for Kombu. Panda, hello to you, and Kombu, hello to you, man. Matt is the Dogecoin millionaire. Yeah. Well, see, he bought in. He made $3 million, and then watched that come back down. Does anybody know if he averaged down at all? Like, did he double up? Because Dogecoin was doing pretty good at 45 cents there, and if he continued buying, that dude would have the same amount of money as when it was at 70 cents. I don't follow that guy, so I don't know all of his moves that he's making, but I see his posts every once in a while, like trending out on X. But I don't know if he bought more or what. Let's see. What do you think about receding hair coin? Yeah, it probably could be something. I thought about this the other day, though, man, and it continues to go through my mind. With so many people that just, buy into these meme coins and then lose on meme coins, I'm thinking about creating an entire new sector. Not meme coins, dream coins. Okay? It's kind of where you take your ill-gotten and no longer wanted meme coins, or any crypto for that matter, but think about it almost like a GoFundMe or a Kickstarter or something like that, where you can invest in people's dreams. And they're dream coins, not meme coins. Because, dude, I'm getting kind of sick of the volatility in meme coins. I'm not kidding. And I'm trying to reinvent the industry. And I'm thinking to myself, and these are my shower thoughts, right? How can I do this? How could we help people instead of taking from people? And dream coins, man. We can invest in people's dreams with dream coins. And, there may be some sort of a lockup period. There may be some sort of I don't know, some sort of a, like a vesting period is what I'm looking for. Not just buying and selling, because then it's no different than a meme coin, right? But dream coins could be a pretty good subsector in the crypto space. Instead of these meme coins that everybody goes out and gambles on, we could create some actual dreams, man. Make it happen. Goosebumps, Joey is in charge. I'm telling you, things are going to change MOS style. I hope so. Everybody wants a MOS, right? I'm going to the Tiki Club tonight. Do it, man. John, do it. Dreamcoin has a nice ring to it. Deucey, thank you, man. I thought it did too. I have no idea, Dean. No idea. Dreamcoin will be a good space to launch Honorarium too. It could. It could. Absolutely, Panda. When One Man Wiggle Coin. Probably already out there, Kombu. People are fast, man. Guys, it is 1 o'clock. Get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs. We will be back. And got a lot of videos coming out today. Please watch them all. Got a live stream coming out tomorrow. Please join us back for that. Appreciate every single one of you guys. We'll do these shout-outs and we'll be back, man. Movies and games. See you later. We got Deucey. See you later, man. Have a great one. Jeremiah. Movies and games. Panda. Jeff. Have a great one, man. Jen G. Barrett. Have a great one, man. Jeremiah. Panda. Gorilla. Kombu. John. Deuce. We got Dean. Panda. Dean. Kombu. Geo. Susan. Panda. Deuce. All of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me, Papa. Till the next time. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.